Okay, so once again, my recorder stopped recording, so I couldn't tell where it finished. So anyways, she went ahead and sent me these, and I think Concord and Ninth. Oh, this is such a pretty purse die. I love it. I don't know if it was on Instagram or YouTube, but I had mentioned, and this is from KS Craft, I had mentioned, this is so beautiful, that I loved one of her projects, and that I had to have that die in my life. And look what she sent me. She sends me so much love. Excuse me just this moment. Oh my goodness. Okay. And so, I don't know what's in here, guys. Look, I gotta hurry up because my voice is about to go. Okay, this is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you so very much. And before we go and look at this, I think it's a folio or a mini album. Look at it. That's so pretty. We are going to take a... We got some Halloween goodies, and look at this purse. How pretty. It's spooky. It's spooky. I should put not so spooky. Oh my gosh. This year, my son got last year he had a full Godzilla costume that he stood outside and gave out candy. This year, I think he has a wolf costume, furry wolf. I mean, he spends money on his costumes, He gets them from this special place. But anyways, he's going to be a scary wolf-looking thing. I don't know if it's a wolf or a fox. I forget. It's gray, so it's got to be a wolf. But yeah, we're going to give out candy. We step outside our house and we give out candy every year. Look at all the kiddos in their beautiful little costumes. It's so much fun to do. And thank you so much. I love these. I love these. I love these. Oh, M&M's and Twix and Snickers. Yay, Snickers was my daddy's favorite chocolate bar. Thank you so much. And he always had them in his drawer. And whenever I went to his bedroom, I'd say, Daddy, can I take one? And he'd be like, okay, go ahead. I'll let you have one. Just one. Thank you so much. And this is so lovely. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting any of this. I remember you had mentioned something about the diet. I was like, okay, but then, life goes on and you forget these things. I had completely forgotten about it. So thank you so much, honey, for thinking of me. And over here, oh, she used some hard, I think it's watercolor paper or something. Alexa, what's going on with you? You keep flashing on me. Alexa, play notifications. I don't know what she's saying. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so absolutely divine. Oh my word, just look at this. The ballerina and everything. And this is so funny because, okay, she used my papers over here, the ballerina from cradle to stage. And the thing about it is, my niece is actually a professional dancer. She's a ballerina, and for such and such company. I don't know, she travels. And so anyways, yeah, there's a professional ballerina in the family, and I haven't seen her in like years, but yeah, she goes by our maiden name, Torres. So, as kind of like dedicating her career to my parents, because my dad was like her dad in the case. Her father, her biological father, one day said, I'm going to the store. He never came back, my poor sister. And so she was a single mom for the longest time. And then her adoptive dad, my sister married somebody from the police department. And so he caught COVID and he died. And then weeks later, my dad caught COVID and he died as well. So yeah, it affected this child so much that it was really, really sad. But now she's going, through, I wish her the best in her professional career. She made her dreams come true, and she's doing it as a thank you to my parents, my dad, because he served as her dad when she needed a dad so badly. So, men, when you make a baby, you stick. The best thing that you could do for that baby is to stay with that mom, okay? Alrighty, so enough of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So let me feel, my hands are shaking. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I wish that I could just transfer the beauty of this, can you fix that please? Of this mini album that she made. It is a mini album. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. How do I open this? I don't want to, how does it open? Oh my word. No, seriously. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. And you know what? It's like I'm going to put my niece's pictures on this. Oh my gosh. Or should I send it to my sister so she can, you know what? I hope you don't mind. I'm going to send it to my sister, okay, honey? Because it's her only child. And oh my gosh, they've been through thick and thin, raising a child as a single mom for the longest time. And then her husband dies. It's like they've been through a lot, but her daughter made it. She's a professional ballerina. And oh my gosh, and so wonderful. But look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to send it to my sister. She will love it. So she can add her daughter's pictures on it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And over here we have, oh my word. Okay, it's a pocket. Yes, it's a pocket that flips out like this. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, this is so perfect for Haley. Yes, and over here we have, oh, it's a flippy floppy. We have it like this and like so. And like so, and I'm thinking this would be my sister and her little girl when she just dreamed of being a ballerina. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like in New York, we'll say, ay bendito. Yeah. Yep. This is Haley all the way. All the way, and now that she's all grown, she made her dream come true. Oh my gosh, all the sacrifices that were made by her mom and everything. Wow, yeah, dreams do come true, you guys. You just gotta put your work, you gotta pay your dues, and they come true. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You're going to make me cry, Christine, because, gosh, if you only knew her story, if you only knew everything that this girl's been through. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. This mini album is a work of art. It certainly is. So it goes down like this, and then it goes down like this. And then, of course, over here, this is a beautiful tag. I think I've seen this on Temu, or I've seen it at KS Craft, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and place an order because I like the way this comes out. Yeah. So this goes like this, I think. And then like this. No, it goes like... No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. It goes like that. Thank you so very much, and thank y'all so much for watching. My videos are like, you need a roadmap sometimes for my videos because I go off on a tangent. Sorry if I kept you for too long in this video, but thank you so very much, Christine. You always make something special, so special that it becomes a part of our lives. God bless you so much, my sweet friend, and I love you so very much. Yeah, I gotta go now, and I'll see you once again real soon, okay, you guys? Bye now.